do we have to watch these? How can I say it? You know what, I'm using the term that Bumblebee used. Why are we watching lame Christmas movies? I don't understand. Why do we have to sit here and watch these? You gotta understand the story and the concept of these conspicuous movies are constantly a circle, a cycle of the same thing. If it's not royalty, it's office business. If it's not office business, it's somebody that hates Christmas. If it's not that, it's being a celebrity. Or being the child of Santa Claus. The cycle runs over and over and over and over again. These Hallmark movies are really pain in the butt. Just basically people finding the true meaning of Christmas. If it's not that, they get married on Christmas. And then they have to convince the parents of the spouses to get married, or even that, become the better version or next generation of Santa Claus. It's the same cycle once again, going over and over again. Either way, it's boring. If you want me to watch a decent Christmas movie, why don't we watch something other than not the Hallmark Channel? It's nothing but constant torture pain of just reading the same story over and over again. You know, it is really messing with my wires and my memory. Ugh. But I mean, there's nothing wrong with watching a movie with you. Don't get me wrong on that. I don't hate you for that, but it's just same thing. Frosty the Snowman. What idiotic movie is this? Please give me a summary of this. A snowman. So you're saying a magical hat falls on a random snowman and he comes to life, of course? So you're saying he comes to life through a hat. So the supernatural of the so-called magic comes within a non-living object such as a hat. Is it cursed? No. So is a magician trying to get his hat back from a simple snowman, and he turns the city against this lovable, friendly snowman named Frosty. So they treat the snowman as a freak. They try to kill the snowman for a hat. In that case, they should have killed the magician. I mean, why not? I mean, the magician is the one that caused the situation to have his hat flown across the city or town to cause this supernatural entity, such as a snowman, to come to life. To me, I feel like a spirit possessed this snowman, or anything. I don't know. But move on to the next movie. Rudolph the reindeer. So you're saying an animal has a glowing nose, like a little spark. So you're telling me this specific reindeer gets bullied because his nose glows, and he can have a crush on this girl, and he helps out Santa Claus through a foggy night? Could be some sort of Well, this Rudolph, you presume to say, could be a failed experiment. What can I say? I have my little thesis or hypothesis about it. What if this was a failed experiment that just escaped from the lab? And they're looking for that experiment. Move along. The Grinch Who Stole Christmas. Probably a failed experiment. Next. Let's see. Ebenezer Scrooge. So, summary. Okay. Okay. So, it's just a wealthy, gluttony, rich old bag of bones. Wants to keep every cent in his pocket and don't share with the community. Sounds a lot like Megatron. Megatron would do something like that. But yeah, that's what it is, and he gets haunted by ghosts to tell him and explain to him about the true meaning of Christmas. That is funny. Humbug. How about we just watch the Santa Claus movie? Yeah, let's just watch it. Come on. I'm sorry for ruining your childhood. It's just what it looks like, and the way you explain it to me scientifically shows that everything is just made up of the supernatural or science. That's it. Now, come on, let's watch it.